Respected principal, headmaster, teachers, chief guests, parents, and all of my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I am Akash Behra, student of 9th class. It is my pleasure that deliver a welcome speech on this Independence Day. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate our 78th Independence Day. As you know, Independence Day is an important day in our Indian history. It is a national festival and the festival is proud of every Indian. So, we are celebrating now 78th Independence Day of our nation. On this day, 15 August 1947, after 200 years later, India got independence from cruel British rule. The British rule is full of cruel and torture. We got independence from a result of lot of sacrifice, foregoing and many struggles of our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Jai Rajguru, Bajirao, etc. So we should remember him today and we should give many thanks him today. So India is a independent country and we are its citizens. So we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country in India and we have our own fundamental rights like right to equality, right to freedom, etc. On this day, our national flag hosted in Red Fort and Parliament by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and President, Mistress Srimati Draupadi Murmu. School, college, and every public places. So, freedom. Freedom is birthright of every human. Freedom is a priceless gift for us by the God, and freedom is precious thing for us. So, we should not lose our freedom. Also, we should protect our freedom. So that we are India's citizen, it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty, progress together, growth and development of our country, and make it a development, a powerful, a strongest, number one country in whole world. I love my India. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you one and all to giving me such wonderful opportunity to express my thoughts.